Top 15 reasons trades are winning in 2026. Union Auto Worker Life. The career no one talks about. Hey, let me ask you something. What is it that nobody in high school ever set us down and said?
Just say it!
What if you could make close to 6 figures, work only 4 days a week, have better health care than most doctors, and get over a month of paid off time? Build a rock solid retirement at the same time and never take on college debt. Because if they had told you that, a lot of people wouldn't be drowning in student loans right now.
Is a 25% tariff on all cars that are not made in the United States. If they're made in the United States, there's absolutely no tariff. This is very exciting to me. This is the automobile industry, and this will continue to spur growth.
What's up, everyone? I'm JV Charles, and this is JV Charles TV, where we break down the real truth about the skilled trades, how to skip the college route, and how to get paid while you learn your way into 6-figure careers. Today, I'm breaking down the top 15 reasons why being a union auto worker is one of the most underrated careers in America. And I'm not talking theory, this is my real life. The college equals success story is breaking down. For decades we were told, go to college, get a degree, sit at a desk, everything works out. But in reality, tuition exploded. Degrees became oversaturated. Office jobs are getting outsourced, automated, or replaced by AI. People are working 50 to 60 hours a week just to survive. Meanwhile, union auto workers like myself quietly built one of the most stable and protected careers left in America. And you get paid while you learn. This alone puts union auto work ahead of college. I didn't pay to learn this career. I didn't gamble on a degree. I didn't sit in a lecture hall for 4 years. I trained on the job. And every hour I learned, I got paid. College charges you to learn, trades pay you to learn. That's a massive advantage most people never calculate. And again this year I'll be making close to $100,000 a year without a degree. Let's talk numbers. I make $100K working 4 days a week. That's not burnout money. That's not endless overtime. That's standard union compensation with smart job placement. And if you want overtime, it's available and protected by contract. Here's a real 4-day work week for me. This shocks people. I work 4 days a week, not 4 days plus emails, not 4 days but always on call, not 4 days and mentally working 7. And when I punch out, I'm done. The kind of work-life balance is rare in today's economy. And overtime is paid and protected. In union auto plants, overtime is time and a half, and the rules are clear. Your time is respected. No unpaid labor, no guilt trips, no salary loopholes. Your labor has value and it's enforced. Did I mention top-tier medical, dental, and vision? I'm not exaggerating when I say this. I have the top 1% medical, dental, and vision coverage anywhere. Low deductible, strong prescription coverage, real dental and vision, not the fake corporate versions, and I'm not paying insane monthly premiums. Union bargaining power makes it all possible. Over a month of real time paid off every year. I get a full month paid vacation and personal time every year. Not unlimited PTO nobody uses. Not vacation but checking emails. When you're off, you're off. That changes your quality of life fast. And annual profit sharing, free money basically. Every year I receive profit sharing averaging around $6,000. That's on top of wages, benefits, PTO. And why? Because unions fight for workers to share in the success they help create. Let me be clear, it wasn't handed to me. I started on the engine line. Hard, repetitive, physically demanding, but that grind builds discipline and credibility, and it pays off long term. Just look at me now with a cush inspection job. Seniority beats office politics every time. This is where union work destroys corporate America. In most jobs, promotions are political, raises are subjective, and favoritism rules. But in auto plants, in the union, seniority rules. Time and experience matter more than kissing up.
Floor space that's underutilized in some of their facilities will be new technology and new production parts will be brought in there, and we'll get back to running at full capacity. That's step one. And then for any new plants that are going to be built, particularly by companies like Hyundai and some of the Japanese and foreign automakers, they're going to come to America to build vehicles now because it's going to be too expensive for them to build them in their home country and just ship the vehicles to us because of the tariffs. So it's going to be a win-win. As far as the jobs created, there's going to be a lot more jobs available. and that'll give the UAW an opportunity to organize.
And seniority lets you bid into better jobs. As your seniority grows, you bid on better positions, you get easier work, you gain schedule control. That's how I moved from the engine line to a cush inspection job. No favoritism, no begging, just earned progress. So let's talk about my inspection job. Longevity, not all plant jobs are equal. Inspection works means less physical strain, cleaner environment, lower injury risk. That's how people work decades and retire strong instead of broken down. And the retirement security most Americans don't have, we have in the union. Union auto workers have pensions, retirement plans, employer contributions. You're not hoping Social Security survives. You're not gambling everything on the market. You're building something strong and solid for the future. And did I mention massive discounts on new vehicles? Yes, it's real. Union auto workers get huge discounts on new vehicles. That's thousands saved over a career, and people forget to count it. This career is about freedom, not prestige. Trades don't sell tuition. Trades don't sell student loans. And trades don't fit the prestige narrative. But prestige doesn't pay the bills. Freedom does. Union auto work gives you stability, benefits, time, dignity, a future without a debt, and it's perfect for someone single or raising a family. If you've been told the trades are less than, let me be clear, they're not. Union auto work gave me a strong income, time with my family, real security, and a future I can count on. And I didn't need a degree to get it. If you like this video, subscribe to JV Charles TV, comment if you want more real trade breakdowns, because the skilled trades aren't the backup plan, they're the power move in 2026.